Hello, hello, mighty pirates! So today we are going to celebrate this wonderful, wonderful audio chip and other 5 alternatives. And we're going to do it by playing 3 different audios, a demo with the Axel Foley song, and then the International Carta Plus game, which is actually very stressful for this audio chip. And then we are going to play a noise test. So I really wish that you're going to enjoy this video, and let me know in the comments if you have your favorite one and your actually suggestions. Okay, so let's do it. So, before closing this video, I just wanted to point out some things. I mean, in the first picture that we see now, first of all, the audio volume is being normalized to -1 dB using the Audacity program. And of course, the waveform is pretty much the same for all of these chips. The next one here, of course, the normalization goes to the peak of the audio. And the funny thing is that, very interesting actually, is that all the waveforms are very different. And this is pretty nice. I just want to point out that the SidKick was really strange in the game because the audio effects were almost impossible to hear. I really hope that it's configuration problem or maybe something that can be updated. In the last picture, the audio has not been normalized because I think that this is a noise waveform and it's generated, so I think it's very interesting to see that all the chips generates the waveform with a different volume level. I mean, the audio boost is completely different. So that's all, folks, and thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel if you like it. I'm just looking forward to your comments. And until the next time, bye!